My hair is not looking its finest at the moment. I'm so sorry about it. Alright. Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. And as you guys can see from the title of this video, I'm going to try out something weird again. So for those of you that have been following my channel for a while know that I tried to make my hair yellow using the herb, I think it's called, turmeric. And I used that to actually dye my hair yellow. And yes, it worked. It worked so good. It became bright yellow, which was insane. If you haven't seen that video, you have to check it out. I will link it up here and also down below, of course. So I thought if turmeric can make your hair yellow, then some other like natural colors or natural dyes have to be able to work on the hair as well, because I do know that some people use like colors from herbs and vegetables and stuff like that to dye fabric and stuff like that. And as turmeric worked obviously on hair, I thought why not try and dye your hair like reddish pink with beets or beetroot. This is förkokta rödbetor. Rödbeta is a beet in Swedish, and for those of you who don't know, I am Swedish. I live in Sweden. I am Swedish. So I got this at ICA today, and what I have done, I have already mixed this together. We'll see if it works. Maybe not at all. Who knows? But I have like pureed like the juice from the beetroot and some beets as well into this, whoops, this mixture. I will show you. As you guys can see, it's just like a puree of beets. So without further ado, let's just try it, because why not? And also, if it doesn't work, too bad. If it works, then I will have another color. Fun. Okay, just so you guys know, my hair is gross at the moment, so when I take this cap off, don't be scared. Ew. And as you guys know also, I just cut my hair. I cut like a lot of it off. It's this short now. Crazy. I used to have such long hair, and I like 2 at night decided to cut it off. Stupid. Okay, so I'm just going to brushing my hair. I'm going to apply some old gloves. These are bright yellow because have you seen my hair? Okay, so I have my gloves on and I have my mixture, and we'll see what happens. First of all, I don't really think that this will stain my hair as much as the turmeric, but I do think that it can stain it a little bit, maybe like a hint of pink, because this is like almost a maroon shade, but we'll see. Okay, let's do it. Ooh, I don't know about this anymore. Okay, let's just do it. Ah! Okay, I can already notice it's a little bit chunky, but I'm not the one to judge. Whoops, okay, it will go everywhere. Yeah, so let's just see what happens. Hopefully these chunks will fall out of my hair quite easily. Oh my god, this will be so messy. Oh well, I like it messy. Okay, no I don't. I tried to make it more smooth, but my blender wasn't the best. So this is what we have to work with, unfortunately. Okay, so I will just put all of this in my hair, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I actually had to run to my bathroom and do the last things here because it was messy. I'm going to show you. Prepare yourself. It looks like I've killed someone in my bathroom. But yeah, this is how it looks right now. And we'll see. I'm intrigued. Okay, so here's my bowl of dye. There are my gloves. And yeah, this is how it looks here. And I also have my clothes there because they are stained. I also got some on my carpet, no. But yeah, I will probably have this on now for maybe an hour or something like that. And then I will rinse it out normally. And we'll see what happens. Stay tuned because it's gonna be interesting. Okay, so are you ready to see the result of the hair? Dun 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 dun! Ta-da! Look at it! It looks exactly the same. I'm so disappointed! But yeah, as you guys can see, it was a total fail. It didn't do anything to my hair, which I'm actually like kind of bummed about because I truly thought that it would at least stain it a little bit, but it did not. And yeah, this is how it looks as well without the hat, but I haven't styled it or anything, so it is not looking its best. So yeah, it was total fail, but now you don't have to think about it, lay sleepless at night and think, could beetroots stain your hair? No, it won't. I am here to tell you it didn't work. You don't have to try it. I've tried it for you. But yeah, it kind of sucks, but I would actually love to try out more of these weird stuff just because turmeric worked. So I was actually planning on doing it with blueberries. And if you have any other suggestions or any other tips for like some sort of natural dye that could perhaps stain hair, then please comment down below and I can try that for you as well. I'm here for you, my hair is here for you, we will try it together. Even though this didn't work, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe it was fun to watch me put gross stuff in my hair and ruin like my entire apartment because everything else got stained, like my carpet and everything. So yes, that's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel and also comment down below for tips on what I can try next. And yeah, that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I've already said that. I hope you have an amazing day and I hope we will see each other in my next video. Bye guys!